Everyone takes pride in thick, bountiful strands, including me, of course, but sometimes we just don't have it. Fortunately, there are several affordable factors that can help us get our hair appearing thicker. You have suffered from hair loss and now you have sparse hair, or naturally you have thin hair, and whatever hairstyle you try on your natural hair, it doesn't add up. Okay, let's try something practical. I have a hairstyle in mind, craving so bad for that new look. So you decided a twist out would give you exactly that. Twisted your hair using a leave-in, followed by a wrinkle styler gel, and then unraveling that twist looking forward to that new look. Did finger curls for the perimeter of your head under the back. Finally, what do we have here? Is this what we are looking for? So flat. Maybe it's all round, more of a bowl shape. Okay, we have a solution. Obtain some hair extensions to extend whatever I would love to extend. So I'm assuming this will give me the height, length, and thickness I want. These are kinky braids, really coarse, like my natural hair, although not exactly the color of my hair. The shade is slightly darker than my hair. It would be important to obtain one that is the color of your hair to create a seamless blend, then add highlights whenever you want. Now, this definition is so unnatural. I want some frizz. So pay attention to how I unravel this. First, cut it into two. This will help retain some definition when separating, because you'll be having a small length to deal with. Separate so gently using a scissor to cut the parts that will destroy the definition when tearing. Cutting some areas helps to smoothen the process of separating so you retain some curl definition. I hope I'm making sense to you with this explanation. Now, this is how a natural fussy, kinky, chunky twist out should look like. So I'm going to wear a few strands strategically placed to give the height, volume, and gradation that my hair couldn't give me. But first, braid the top parts into cornrows, then attach the extensions using a crochet needle. Now this is too high and flat, so let's create some gradation with scissors to get a cute tempered look. Then followed by applying my usual hair products to add moisture and calm this big hair down. I love extensions because there can be a quick and easy way to achieve long, full, thick hair in just a short time. This would be a great option if you got a bad haircut, experienced hair loss, difficulty growing your hair, or generally have thin fine hair like mine, or simply want to experiment with your hair.